Hi everyone, this is Justin from LexisNexis and welcome to your tour of CaseMap Cloud. Today we're going to take a look at issues, documents, or evidence, as well as facts, which is commonly referred to as annotations or notes. Now the idea of CaseMap is to manage all the information from your client's case and make it available in one central location. Users can log in and add information, organize, categorize, or review some of the information that's important. You can also make connections in CaseMap, and we'll give you some examples of that. Here's a quick one, being able to add research directly from our sister site, as well as being able to see who's collaboratively working on the team. And because CaseMap is in the cloud, it's pretty much accessible from anywhere. Let's take a look at issues. Issues are the items that the firm is attempting to prove, disprove, or argue. These are likely coming from the claim, and you can add them by clicking the blue plus. If I select a legal issue, I can categorize it or perhaps organize it in a way that shows what is important. Now, lawyers confess to me that sometimes they don't document all the legal issues. This is the kind of thinking that happens in their head, and although that's great, it makes it difficult for the legal team. Secondly, very difficult to connect different facets of the case together, and CaseMap is able to allow you to do that. A simple example is on this particular legal issue, we have 10 annotations or facts. We also have 3 pieces of research. Now we can get to those 10 facts by clicking here to get a list of them, or we can also click on research here to see the case law or the legislation that we've connected to that particular legal issue. Let's look at documents or evidence. This is going to help you prove and disprove or argue your issues. You can stay organized by having everything in one place, and you can add a document on the fly by clicking the blue plus. What's also neat here is that we can create annotations directly from these documents. Here's how. Here's a simple letter that I'm perhaps reviewing, and I identify a passage that's important. I can highlight it and make a fact. Again, think of these as annotations or notes. I can now connect that particular passage to some or many legal issues, as well as some people and organizations, and other data points. Now, this will also be connected to the document from which it came from. Let's look at facts. These are going to be your tidbits of information that help you strategize on proving and disproving and arguing the claim. You can add a fact by clicking the blue plus, or you can do so from a document, or perhaps you have a transcript that you can create facts from. If I expand a fact, we can see the notes, the legal issues it pertains to, the people and organizations, connection to the document, as well as any tags that I've applied. Now perhaps I'm reviewing the annotation, and I'd like to see where this is coming from. I can click here to not only open the document, but take me to the correct page where I have made that annotation. Perhaps now I see something else that I'd like to annotate. I can do so here and make all the connections. Let's say I want to review just the facts that are relevant to negligence. I showed you that before, but here's a more sophisticated way of doing that. Here I have about 48 facts. If I want to go ahead and filter just by negligence, I click on it. I can now filter by other items such as perhaps a party or perhaps a tag that I have created. And I'm able to get to the information that I'm attempting to review on the spot. Being able to find exactly the facts relevant to an issue or connected to a document you're reviewing is simplified with CaseMap Cloud. You can stay organized, be efficient, and feel confident. If you'd like to learn more about CaseMap Cloud, check out our website or connect with our team today.